Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best ice cream maker with compressors on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best ice cream maker with a compressor. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. In my experience, there is nothing quite like the joy of making your own ice cream or gelato, especially after a hot summer's day working in the yard or playing tennis. It's also a fun thing to do with other members of the family. I have many happy memories of making ice cream with my daughter when she was younger, and she still enjoys making ice cream as an adult. Churning the ice cream can be pleasurable, but nothing compares with the convenience of a compressor machine, especially if you make ice cream or gelato regularly. Number 1. Winter ICM 201 SB Ice Cream Machine. Winter ICM 201 SB Ice Cream Maker is an upright stainless steel ice cream maker that gives you a capacity of 2.1 quarts to make 2 liters of ice cream for your family in one go. This particular feature will be especially beneficial if you have a large family or want to use it for commercial purposes. Winter ICM 201 SB comes with a CFC-free compressor with high efficiency and works on a voltage of 110 volts. The motor has a power consumption of 180 watts. You can choose a cooling temperature within the range of -0.4 degrees to -31 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter Ice Cream Maker also comes with a motor protection function that has an auto shut-off feature to avoid damage if the mixture becomes solid frozen. As a bonus, the Winter ICM 201 SB Ice Cream Machine is also ETL certified. Make delicious ice cream, gelato, and sorbet at home with our ice cream machine. Small ice cream maker easily fits on countertops and includes a removable stainless steel mixing bowl and churn blade. Homemade ice cream maker features 3 modes: ice cream mode, cooling only mode, and mixing only mode, as well as pause function. Mini ice cream maker automatically prevents unwanted melting and stops the motor when mixture solidifies to prevent damage. Built-in compressor allows for continuous use. What we like about it. Along with all the other advantages and perks that Winter Ice Cream Maker provides, the design wins for the most part. The device looks stylish, compact, and easy to use. The LCD display allows you to monitor and control the temperature and the remaining time until your final result. This way, you don't have to stay on high alert throughout the process. Plus, the machine components, including the blade and the bowl, are BPA-free and stainless steel, so they are easy to clean. What we don't like about it. It weighs a total of 27 pounds, which is quite heavy for some people's liking. Number 2. Lello 4080 Muso Lacino Ice Cream Machine. You can't go wrong with Lello Muso Lacino, the best home soft serve ice cream machine, if you want to make delicious tasting ice cream at home. Among other best home soft serve ice cream machine, Lello Muso makes high-quality soft serves every time. You can make mouth-watering desserts in just minutes with Muso Lacino Ice Cream Maker. This ice cream machine has a large, sleek appearance. It churns out creamy batches of soft serve in less than 30 minutes. The stainless steel construction means this home ice cream maker is built to last. With the automatic shutdown mode, you do not have to worry about making hard ice cream. Muso Lacino Home Ice Cream Maker is durable and easy to use. It has 2 buttons, one for freezing and the other for churning. However, you can only make 1.5 quarts of ice cream, but it should still be enough for an after-dinner treat for the family. Now simply pour in your ingredients and make an incredible tasting dessert with the press of a button. Easy to use, is the perfect ice cream maker to get professional results at home. Small, with a large bowl, non-removable, stainless steel spatula and powerful and robust refrigeration system, the mini machine allows to reach professional performance without pre-cooling. Made of stainless steel, compact, attractive, it has a modern design and suitable for any room and kitchen. Fully automatic and precisely controlled by a timer, this machine takes the trouble and guesswork out of making ice cream, sorbet, frozen yogurt, gelato, and frozen drinks at home. Ingredients go into the bowl, the timer is set, 2 buttons are pressed, and about 30 minutes later 1.5 quarts of a frozen confection are ready for consumption. What we like about it. Makes good quality ice cream, tank-like built, separately functioning compressor and paddle, stainless casting. What we don't like about it. Expensive, timer is not very accurate. Number 3. Winter ICM 220 CGY Ice Cream Machine. Winter ICM 220 CGY soft serve ice cream maker with its 2-quart capacity and the gold stylish exterior, this ice cream maker creates waves in the market. Winter gelato and soft serve ice cream maker for home is a self-contained dessert maker, which means that you don't have to pre-freeze it. Its yogurt incubator function allows you to make yogurt from scratch, ice cream, and other frozen desserts. It features a convenient, stylish stainless steel housing and an inbuilt timer. Plus, it offers a convenient capacity of 2 liters, 2.1 quarts, suitable for a large family or gathering. You can select a cooling temperature from -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit to -31 degrees, depending on the end product you want. Furthermore, the mixing bowl and churning blade is entirely aluminum. Winter gelato and soft serve ice cream maker has dimensions of 16.75 by 11.25 by 10.25 inches and weighs a total of 25 pounds, and that can take some counter space. Ideal for entertaining, this high-capacity machine makes up to 2 quarts of your favorite frozen dessert or yogurt style in a single batch. The ice cream function offers premium functions and features not available in budget machines. Comes with a removable stainless bowl and BPA-free churn blade. The powerful built-in compressor freezer allows for continuous use without the inconvenience of having to pre-freeze the stainless steel mixing bowl. What we like about it: the built-in timer is audible and reliable, which means that you don't have to stand next to the machine while making your ice cream. Plus, it has an LCD timer control, which makes operations and navigation very easy. Furthermore, the aluminum bowl and blade are BPA-free, safe to use, and suitable for storing and cleaning. What we don't like about it: it is quite expensive compared to other soft-serve ice cream machines in the market. Number 4. Breville BCI 600 XL Ice Cream Machine. For ice cream lovers looking for something more heavy-duty, Breville BC 1600 XL Ice Cream Maker could be a good option. Breville BC 1600 XL Soft Ice Cream Machine for home comes with 12 different hardiness settings, including ice creams, gelato, frozen yogurt, and sorbets. The machine's bowl has a capacity of 1.5 quarts and can make enough ice cream for a family sitting. Breville BC 1600 XL Soft Ice Cream Maker has a self-refrigerator compressor that works on 110 to 120 volts and 165 watts of power. Furthermore, it offers 2 modes, namely, fully automatic and manual functionality. The entire item weighs approximately 30 pounds. The Smart Scoop transforms the kitchen into your favorite scoop shop. The first ice cream maker to automatically sense the hardness of the mixture based on your selection. It keeps your frozen flavors at perfect temperature up to 3 hours. 12 hardness settings including sorbet, frozen yogurt, gelato, and ice cream. The BCI 600 XL Smart Scoop is Breville's easy-to-use ice cream maker with automatic hardness settings. It's the first ice cream maker that automatically senses the hardness of the mixture based on your selection and keeps it ready until it's time to serve. The Breville BCI 600 XL Smart Scoop is made of BPA-free materials, features a child lock, and when your dessert is ready will sound an alert beep or one of 3 musical tunes. What we like about it: the silver exterior is professionally designed and looks very chic displayed in a stylish kitchen. The controls and buttons on the machine make the whole process of ice cream making very customizable. What we don't like about it: there have been a few past complaints associated with the durability of the product. Number 5. Cuisinart ICE 30 BC Ice Cream Machine. With dimensions of 8.25 by 8.00 by 11.5 inches, Cuisinart ICE 30 BC stainless steel ice cream machine consists of a heavy-duty motor. This motor and a double-insulated 2-quart freezer bowl are perfect for making automatic frozen yogurt, ice cream, and sorbets. The machine comes with cold storage and an instruction book with manuals and recipes to make all of these delicious items. The item weighs approximately 12 pounds. You can choose from 2 different designs, including a brushed metal red and silver stainless steel. Depending on your likes, preferences, and the interior of your kitchen, you can choose one that works efficiently and looks good on the countertop. Housed in brushed stainless steel with an embossed logo, this fully automatic small appliance makes frozen yogurt, sorbet, and homemade ice cream in as little as 25 minutes. The frozen dessert maker features a heavy-duty motor and a double-insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert at a time. Simply add ingredients, turn the machine on, and frozen drinks and desserts are ready in minutes. Its large ingredient spout allows for easily adding favorite mix-ins, and an instruction book and recipes come included. What we like about it: the machine features a large spout for easy addition of ingredients and mix-ins. This feature, along with cord storage, avoids a mess and keeps your countertops free of clutter. The machine's fast motor and construction takes less than 25 minutes to complete frozen desserts and drinks. Plus, all parts of the ice cream maker are BPA-free and entirely safe to use. What we don't like about it: customers sometimes seem to have a problem with the freezing capabilities of the machine.